Everyone, welcome back to my channel, myself Visharati, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the easiest business plan ever, which can tailor your website, social media to reflect your brand's image and message easily. Yes, so let's get started with your business plan. So first thing to start any business, I hope you are aware about your the best company name ever. So first, before writing your business plan, take a pen and a paper and write all these things on paper. Okay, right now with me, so that we will create your business plan ever best business plan with me. So first, just write a company name and a tagline for of your company. Make sure you should give a good catchy tagline to your business. Okay. So next thing you have to write a vision. Now I hope you are aware about the vision and the mission, but still I will repeat it here. Vision means what does your business want to focus in the long term. Okay. Think on it and create a long term vision for your company. Next, mission. Mission, it means what is the key purpose of your business and how you will achieve these purposes. Okay, this statement is a mission statement. So I hope if you already started a business, then you might be created a vision and a mission, and you are just going to start. Then don't forget these things. These things looks like, hey, we will create it later on, but trust me, these are the mandatory part to set your goals for the business. Then the location, you have to put the location from where you are operating. If you operate your business online, and simply put it online business here, the location or the branches or the head offices, headquarters, everything you have to write in here. Next, main important thing is the goals, and I know many business owners skip this step. They don't write goals, they don't create a vision, they don't create a mission. They just start a business and just to earn a money. Okay, money earning is our goal, of course. We are running any business to earn a passionate income, of course, but you have to break your vision and mission into specific, measurable and time bound objectives. It means you have to create a smart goal for your business, like what exactly you have to achieve, when you have to achieve, what things you have to do to achieve these particular goals. Okay, so your goals can be short term or long term. It depends on how you are operating your company, and trust me, this is the goal thing, this is the goal planning, and which is a mandate step for your company to grow, which really gives a good vision to you to run your business in very operative operations mode. Trust me. Next, you have to write the values of your company. What are the key principles, attributes, and expected standards of behavior of your business? You have to write all these values here. Next, the most important is the finance. What are your expected revenue streams and investment capital, and how will be the some strategies like digital business or funding can boost your income or lower the cost. Okay, you have to write your financial planning as well here. Okay, so start writing your financial plans, like what kind of funding things you have planned for your business, what kind of investments you will be doing, and what kind of revenue streams you have. Everything you have to plan out earlier at early stage. Next is HR. Yes, what type of human capital do you need to support your business, and how easily or tough is it to find them? Are you hiring the freelancer? You have a team, or you want a team, so you want a HR department there. So, will you outsource this department? Will you operate it into your company? What kind of things you will be taking, you will be doing for the human capital? Trust me, if you are running a business, then you alone cannot run any business. Okay, if you really want exponential growth, then you want a human capital. Okay, so previously you should make a planning of it. So write this thing. Next channel is the marketing channel. How do you plan to market your products or the services, whatever you are starting in your business? which digital channels will you use, and how will these affect cost and revenue. You have to write the true fact, like yes, I will trust LinkedIn. Suppose you are into the B2B operations, then I will do the complete marketing strategy for the LinkedIn for my products or the services, and this how this affect your cost and revenue. So you have to write the plan for this as well, like what you can do to save the cost for the marketing budgets, or how much budgets you are spending here and everything. In short, you have to write everything. Next thing is operations. What will be your operating model, like hybrid, online and offline, and what resources do you need for it. You have to list all the resources. If you are operating your business online, or you wanna start any new business in a hybrid business model, what kind of things you will be needed. You will be needed a laptop, you will be needed assets, you will be needed, maybe the airports or whatever the things you want, or you want to give it to your HR department, via HR department to the freelancers, or the executives you're hiring, the people you're hiring. So what kind of things will you are, or you see, you have to write just roughly here, okay. Next important point is customers. Who are your target customers and how will they find you? You have to write everything about it. My target audience, about your target customers. Of course, you can identify the demographics of your customers, gender, age, their interest, on which social media or your audience is most active, etc. Everything you have to write on here. Next, business success plan. Okay, so this is a success plan for your business. So the first thing is, what problem does your company solve for your customer? You have to write what exactly you're solving. Okay, just write in short. Don't think so much for this. Just write it right now here. And trust me, every year you have to upgrade this plan. Every year you have to use this plan to upgrade your business model. Okay. Next, you have to write what results does your company create for your customers. What exactly you are providing to your customers. We have to write everything here. Okay. Who does your company serve? Next, why should your customers choose you over your competition? Your proprietary system. If you are operating in a proprietary, then otherwise you can skip this part. If you're operating in a private, or you're operating your business model in a partnership company, then whatever the system, you can skip it here, right? Next, strategic marketing plan. It is a key point of every successful business. Write your marketing strategy step by step here. Trust me, it will give you business on proper successful path. So point number 1 is target market demographics. You have to write here all the demographics where you want to target. Point 2 is estimated size of target market. So what do you think? How many customers you can serve? How many sizes you have? You have to target in India, Maharashtra, which location, London, US, UK, California. But how much is the size? Tentatively, you have to just write. Where can target a market be found? Okay, where you can found it, like exactly where. Which location, narrow it down, like California, so like where exactly in California, in India, so where exactly in India, which country, which state, which city. Okay, narrow it down. Next point is visibility, that is brand awareness strategy. What you created a brand awareness strategy for your business? Have you created? Or if you haven't created, then you have to create a brand awareness strategy for your business. Okay. Next, lead generation strategy. I will explain this brand awareness strategy. It means, I hope you're aware about the brand awareness, like what kind of logo, color palette, or branding materials, online marketing, offline marketing, billboard, signboards, letterheads. What exactly you are doing for your branding purposes? Okay, you have to write everything here in. Next, lead generation strategy, like what you will be doing to generate the leads. And this is the most important and critical stage for every business, because we are hunting for this point. If leads will not be there, you cannot run your business. Okay, so what kind of strategy you have mapped? Either you will be generate the lead via the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, or you will be generating via the Google Ads, or you will be generating via the social media advertisements. what kind of lead generation strategies you have created. Okay, you have to list it out. And I'm sure like many business owner, they don't list their lead generation strategy. They just they just start see, just opening a website doesn't generate a lead, right? You have to work on it later on. Okay, so you have to create a lead generation strategy there. Then the conversion strategy, what kind of conversion strategy you have created, like if my customer get converted, if anyone purchase something from you, your services or the products, then what kind of strategy will be, like you will be delivering them a thanking you emails or SMSs or WhatsApp marketing. What kind of conversion things you will be doing to connect with your, or I can say to reconnect with your audiences. Next is a product planning strategy. Now here you have to plan your products. Okay, so how many products you are serving, you have to list all the products. Suppose if you are servicing 25 products, so you have to list all the 25 products on a paper. Product 1 2 3 4 5 6, either you can create a Google Doc as well. Okay, so which is your primary product here, name of the product also you can say here, and the result of the product and the impact the product will be created on your audiences. You have to in detail, you have to write about this product planning. Trust me, this will work very well. Whatever products you are selling, one by one, brainstorm everything, just roughly you have to write. Trust me, it will create your complete business strategy very well. Okay, you will get so much deeper and narrower idea for your business, like where exactly what exactly you have to do to generate the quality leads and optimize complete website or the business strategy to gain more and more customers. So trust me, this product planning strategy really works very well, and it takes time. Okay, so take your own time and create a product planning strategy ASAP. Next, the most important, and I must say the last but not the least, it's a business goal planning. Yes, and this is the thing what every business owners really don't do. Okay, 1 year goals. You have to first at least set a 1 year goal. I will recommend you have to set at least 5 year goals. Okay, but you can start with 1 year goals. Write your 1 year goals. Write goals in below 5 steps. Okay, step one, revenue. How much revenue you have to generate in this year. Step 2, profit. After that, how much profits should be there, at least minimum profit should be there in your hands. For that, to generate that profit, how many sales you actually needs to do, okay, to generate that much profit. Step 4, for that particular sale, suppose you listed 50 sales, I want to do 50 services or the sales in this year, then what is your marketing planning to generate these 50 sales? Okay, and in the next step 5, development, and this is the most important. I assure many business owners don't do this, and that's why they don't gain customers on year by year basis, and that is the wrong strategy. Development plan, yes, you have to create the best development plan for your goals. Okay, whatever you can. Suppose if you decided that I want to generate that much profit, if it doesn't happen, then what are the plans with you? Do you have any plans for the developments? Okay, so in just simply 5 steps you can cover your complete business goal planning. So I will recommend first you just generate a 1 year goals, and then I will recommend you just do the 5 year goal strategy. Like in the 5 years, how much revenue you want to do, how much profits you want to do, how much turnover you want to see, where you want to see your company. Okay, so in this way you can do the business goal planning. So thank you for watching this video. So, this is just a basic business plan. Okay, just the easiest and the basic business plan what I have shared with you people right now, just to start a business. If you are just a startup, okay, or you are stuck at some stage of your business to grow and optimize, then this is the best business plan for you just to just get started. Thank you for watching this video.